Do you know how to connect Excel data with AutoCAD? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it in a few simple steps. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. This is the Excel file I'm going to use to link with AutoCAD. I need to insert this table into AutoCAD as an AutoCAD table. Let's see how to do it. In AutoCAD, use the following path to create a data link with an Excel file. You can use datalink command also to create a data link. Then give a name for the data link. I use Excel as a data link name. And chose Excel file need to link. We can link entire sheet or range as a link. We can see a preview of the table we just created in the Excel here. In this step we can choose entire sheet or a range of data we want to insert to the AutoCAD. I'm going to select a range of data to insert into AutoCAD. In Excel, I'll select cells from A1 to D17. Then, insert that range in the dialog box and click the OK button. The data link setup is now complete. You can see the name of your data link here. In the next step, we are going to create our table in AutoCAD. AutoCAD offers a few ways to create a table. 1. Using the table icon in the Annotation tab. 2. In the menu bar, go to Draw Greater Than Table. 3. By typing the table command in the command line. In this dialog box, we need to select the data link we prepared earlier. To do that, click the From a Data Link button, then choose the data link you already created. We can see a preview of our table here. Then, click the OK button, and click OK again to finish. Specify insertion point you want to create a table, then zoom into the table. Now our second step also finished. Let's check with Excel, doing some modification in the Excel file and how to update that data with the AutoCAD. I'm going to change few data in our Excel file we already created and also linked with AutoCAD, and save it. When you return to AutoCAD, you'll see a balloon notification at the bottom right of your screen with the message data link has changed. To update your data link you need to go to the menu, Tools, Data Links, then Update Data Links. Then select your table, and enter. You can see that our table in AutoCAD has been updated with the data we changed in the Excel file. This can also be done by using the Data Link Update command in the command line. That's how you link Excel data with AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and lessons, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.